I love to ski. I was born in a small town in Bishop, California, and not too far from Mammoth. Like most skiers, I find magic in gliding across the frozen snow with the wind in my face and the mountain air. And in my time skiing in 42 years, I've probably had hundreds of falls and had never broken a bone until February of 2020.
You guys want to go ahead of me?
I was skiing at Snowbird in Utah with my brother and a couple of buddies from college on a beautiful bluebird day when all of a sudden my right front ski tip clipped a tree, spun me around, started sliding downhill head first until the crown of my head hit a tree. After the accident, I initially thought I could get away with a hot tub and massage and chose to ski down from the accident site to the locker room, at which point my friend Kevin, who's a firefighter, said, "You don't need a hot tub, you need an ambulance." And ended up calling an ambulance, and turns out I had broken 5 vertebrae and needed to get spine fusion surgery. I broke T5, T6, T7, and C6 and 7. Had what's called a perch fracture in 6 and 7, which was causing level 9 pain from my thoracic spine all the way down to my index finger. Index finger felt like it was blowing up like a balloon. So was taken to the hospital from there, and then ultimately to the trauma hospital from there.
Well, kids, make sure you wear a helmet. Dude, that's not to be with. My buddy Noah, not doing so hot.
Thank God for helmets and MIPS technology. Without that, probably would have been a lot worse. It takes a great team of people around you to recover from a traumatic injury. I'm grateful for Dr. Huang and his team at the Oakland Spine Surgery Center at Kaiser for his stamina in what ended up being a 5-hour spine fusion surgery. I want to encourage you to do as much and as many types of therapy as possible. I'm grateful for my team of physical therapists and trainers for helping me along the way. I'm grateful for my friends and family who supported me through my recovery and helped me when I could barely move for months at a time, and also during COVID times was not able to actually go to the hospital for some of my appointments that transitioned from in-person appointments to stitches removal appointments on Zoom, for example, which was difficult for me to even comprehend how to remove stitches from the back of my neck. So was able to have some friends help me with those types of things.
Well, guys, we're here at Christmas Tree Shoot. This is where we were about 1 year ago to date almost. We started Christmas tree about 1 year ago here with big smiles. This is where Noah clipped the tree and went for a ride, bashed his head pretty good on some trees and ended up breaking his neck. Today we're gonna go in here and pin a helmet on that tree. Noah's gonna do it because he's back out on skis.
Boom. There it is. Thank you, helmet. Thank you, tree.
Through hard work and dedication and God's grace, we're out here again. Let's go get it.
Awesome. That was great, man. Yeah.
Life happens for us, not to us. My intention with this video is to give some hope and inspiration to the 400,000 plus people each year that are going through spine fusion surgery. Have hope that you'll recover in time and heal. Be patient.